Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need a custom table in Archicad but don't want to waste time digging through object libraries? Here's how to model one from scratch in just a few minutes. And here's how you save it as well as a reusable object for future projects. Want to learn how? Let's get started. Start by importing your reference image. Since this sample uses imperial dimensions, switch your working units from millimeters to decimal inches. That way, all your measurements will match the reference exactly, and you won't have to waste time converting dimensions as you go. Now, using the slab tool, select the rectangular geometry method. Click once, then input your dimensions. For this example, we're using 30 inches by 45. This will serve as the base for the tabletop. Simple and clean. Using the same slab workflow, create your first table leg. Set the dimensions to 2 inches by 2 inches, and once the first leg is placed, duplicate it and mirror the copies to distribute all 4 legs evenly. This is much easier, faster than rebuilding each leg individually. Then, press F3 to switch into 3D view. Quick shortcut. Now, adjust the slab reference planes. These are the blue lines, so everything starts at 0 elevation. From here, input the actual heights from your reference. 30 inches for the legs, 1 inch for the tabletop thickness, then move the tabletop upward and align it with the top plane of the legs. Then, fine-tune each leg height as needed. This is where the table starts taking its shape, compared to how it looked like before. To create the apron, copy the tabletop slab and move it downward. Adjust the thickness to around 3 inches, or depends on your reference photo. Then, duplicate the slab again and offset it inward by 1 inch. This creates the basis for the hollow center underneath the tabletop. Now subtract the inner polygon from the apron slab and delete the temporary hollow guide, and just like that, you've got a clean structural frame. Right, quick pause for our architects and firm owners out there. If your deadlines are piling up and you need support with construction documents, we get it. At MGS Global Group, we're architects helping out other architects. And we've been doing this for 18 years, and our team plugs right into your workflow with on-demand project architects specializing in BIM. And we can start in as little as 24 hours. Check us out at mgsglobalgroup.com. Alright, back to the video. Then let's apply your surface materials. To match the reference, a vertical wood grain for the leg and horizontal grain for the apron and tabletop. This small detail adds a lot of realism to the final project. If your reference shows slight apron offset from the legs, adjust those now. These subtle refinements make the object feel more intentional and professionally modeled. Take a second to check proportions before saving it. Once you're happy with the model, select everything and then go to File, Libraries and Objects, Save Selection As, then click Object and then press OK. A setting window will appear where you can adjust, and you can also edit these later, just so you don't have to stress too much. Once you're good, save it. And now your custom table is officially part of your library. So go ahead and test it. Open the Object tool, search for a newly created table, then place it next to your original constructed one. Then compare. You'll also notice editable materials and line editings are now accessible directly through the object settings. If unnecessary aprons or leg lines are showing in plain view, select the object, then go to File, Libraries and Objects, and then open your object. In the new window, open the 2D symbol. Remove any lines that shouldn't appear in plan view. Control Save and you're set. What custom object should we model next? We now post twice a week, and you should also check out our Archicad playlist and our Archicad crash course if you want to learn more about Archicad. Give us a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out every time we post. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.